best luxury large car for 2025 to 2024 Mercedes-Benz S-Class. The 2024 Mercedes-Benz S-Class has once again secured its position as the best luxury large car for 2025, a title it holds thanks to its unmatched combination of opulence, cutting-edge technology, and unparalleled comfort. This flagship sedan continues to set the standard for luxury vehicles worldwide, appealing to those who demand the very best in automotive excellence. Timeless elegance and innovative technology. The 2024 S-Class remains a symbol of luxury, with its timeless design that exudes sophistication and grandeur. The sleek, flowing lines, signature Mercedes grille, and advanced LED lighting systems create a commanding presence on the road. The interior is where the S-Class truly shines, with an environment that combines modern technology with old-world craftsmanship. Premium materials like Napa leather, hand-polished wood, and brushed aluminum are used throughout, creating an ambience of refined luxury. The cabin is equipped with the latest iteration of the MBUX, Mercedes-Benz User Experience, system, featuring a massive OLED central touchscreen and an augmented reality head-up display. The intuitive interface, powered by artificial intelligence, learns the driver's preferences and offers personalized suggestions. Rear seat passengers enjoy a first-class experience with available executive seating, complete with massage functions, heating, cooling, and individual entertainment screens. Exceptional performance and comfort. The 2024 S-Class offers a range of powerful engines, from the smooth and efficient inline-6 to the formidable V8, all paired with a 9-speed automatic transmission. The available 4MATIC all-wheel drive system ensures that power is delivered seamlessly to the road, providing stability and confidence in all conditions. The S-Class's airmatic air suspension automatically adjusts to driving conditions, offering a silky smooth ride that absorbs road imperfections effortlessly. Advanced safety and autonomous features. Mercedes-Benz continues to lead in automotive safety with the 2024 S-Class. The sedan is equipped with advanced driver assistance systems, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and the latest version of Mercedes pre-safe technology. The S-Class also takes a step towards autonomous driving with features like active distance assist and active steering assist, which can handle certain driving tasks in specific conditions. Conclusion. With its blend of timeless luxury, state-of-the-art technology, and unparalleled comfort, the 2024 Mercedes-Benz S-Class remains the definitive choice for those seeking the best luxury large car for 2025.